bag contains a total of 12 marbles and 4 of the marbles are blue. If a marble is randomly selected, return to the bag and a second marble is randomly selected. The theoretical probability that the first marble is white and the second marble is blue is 7 over 36. How many white marbles are in the bag? Okay, so probability, we want to do favorable outcomes over total outcomes. I also remember in class that a lot of students were assuming that there was only white and blue marbles in this bag, and that's not necessarily true. Like they thought they could just subtract the blue marbles from 12 to find the white marbles, but I don't think it ends up working out that way. So favorable outcomes over total outcomes. Our first event is theoretical probability. The first, so we're looking for, in the first event, the marble should be white. They don't tell us how many marbles are white. So we're going to call that x over 12. Because there's 12 possible marbles. X of them are white, because that's an unknown. We don't know how many are white. And then second event, so we're going to multiply. Second event, we're trying to get a blue marble. We know there's 4 out of 12 that are blue. And then they're telling us in this problem that in the end we're supposed to get 7 over 36. But what's odd about that is, like when you multiply fractions, you just go straight across. And 12 times 12 isn't 36. So this is a reduced fraction. This is simplified. So we need to figure out what this fraction is before they simplified it to 7/36. So we can just do this, multiply the denominators. 12 times 12 is 144. X times 4 is 4x. So when you have two fractions equal to each other like this is a proportion. Like I know these two things are equivalent, so there's different ways I could solve this, but I always like to, the butterfly method is what some people call it. I'm going to cross multiply. You can cross multiply when there is an equal sign between the fractions. That's your symbol to cross multiply. Not here. When you multiply fractions, you just go straight across like that. I'm cross multiplying here because there's an equal sign, so I can do that. So I have to do 144 times 7. 1008. And then on the other side I have 4x times 36. So I can multiply 4 times 36, and I'm going to keep an x with it. That is 144x. We want to solve this algebraically. We need to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 144. 1008 will, nice. 1008 divided by 144 gives us 7. X equals 7. X was the number of white marbles, and that was what they're asking us for. So there's 7 white marbles in the bag. And let's see. Yeah, so that means there was 1 marble in the bag, because 1 marble in the bag that wasn't white or blue. Maybe it was red. So 4 blue, 7 white. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there was 12 marbles in this bag. So like there was one that wasn't these. And I think that's the mistake most people would make on this problem, is just assuming that there's only white and blue in the bag. It's tricky.